Hello, friends. I want to tell you one thing that now we can see that people are in lockdown, and since it's been more than 6 months, from March 22nd to till now, it's 6 7 months, I guess. So many people are getting tired and sitting at home, and they have explored everything. They have tried every opportunity, every experiment to get out of this boredom, like to lockdown, sitting at home. And people now, it's unlock 1, unlock 2, unlock 3, now it's going on, but people are going out and coming, but something is missing, means we are not, it's unusual, it's not usual. So my point is that try to uh, build your body properly, try to have a proper meal daily basis, because corona, it's kind of a pandemic where you can see it can uh, means it can get anybody, means you are healthy or not healthy. The thing is that what you have to do, house home remedy, because we have seen from our generation to generation, our forefather, father, our dadi, grandmother, and everybody, they are used to have a home remedies, like turmeric. It's a very turmeric, it's a very what we call, very good for our body. It's very um, home medicine, turmeric. Second thing, that is first thing, turmeric. Second thing is uh, ginger. It's very good for your lungs, it's very good for your throat, it's very good for your body. It's whenever, I'll tell you one thing. If you want to lose weight, this, it's not a, means it's not a fiction, or it's not a lie. So whenever you get up early morning, uh, it's for girls or a boy, that you are overweight, your weight is more than of your height. Your height is, for in case 7 point, for in case 6.5 or 5 point, generally 5.5, 5.9, 10, 11, it's our Indian height. So the weight should be around 71, 72, 75. But most of our guys and girls, their weight are overweight, they are 90, 80, they are 100, 120, like this. So you should avoid eating carbs. You should eat good carbs, not bad carbs. Bad carbs are like the oily food, what we eat, which is in uh, oil food. Not avoid that in this pandemic lockdown. Have more leafy vegetables, chicken, fish. This is good, iron. And have egg white. Don't have egg yellow yolk, because yolk contain lot of carbohydrates, and it's not good for those who are facing trouble, boiled skin, getting boiled somewhere in the part of body. So have that. And yeah, I was telling about the water, hot water at the early morning. Put some lemon, put some honey, that you already know, you all people. But try to do that, because that refresh your body, that filter out all of your bacteria in your inside your body, because body is not about only your eyes, your move, your face, and your, it's about internal organs, like brain, like lungs, kidney. You have multiple organs in your body, stomach, many things. To filter out all this problem, you should have uh, avla also, one of the thing, avla. You can have that, because you contain a lot of sugar, tomato sugar, tea sugar, milk sugar, and these are things. So to get balance in your body, you should have avla, ginger. Take a boiled water, steam, put some ginger, stir it, and add lemon. That also good. Lemon is very good for your body, but over having lemon, it's not good. So control that, and do daily walk, at least for half an hour. Half an hour, go for a walk, go out if you have a time. Whenever you have time, go for a walk. Don't sit at home, because what happen if you sit at home, you will feel boredom and you will not think much. Because if you do activities, when you do activities, you get more, your brain get fresh, and you think more about yourself, and you will, because nowadays people are very stressed, so remove the stress. You have to do some walking. Jogging also is very good, beneficial, very beneficial jogging, because nowadays the gyms are shut down because of this lockdown. So jogging and walking is very must to control yourself, your body. You know about the Indian food. Indian food, what we eat, it's all carbs. Indian food is very tasty. It's good for your lips. Means good for your whenever your tongue. I'm sorry, not lips, tongue. So whatever you like, you eat tasty, then you eat more. So you contain more food in your body, and it accumulate into fat. So try to like, cut down all the fats, and have take care of your body, because uh, until unless health is wealth, not wealth is health. So in Bible, scripture says, Proverbs 11 chapter 21 verse, in that says that whoever love riches, they will lose in their life. So like that only, um, many things are written in the Bible. So read Bible if you're a Christian. uh, do pray, daily prayer. Every morning you get up and do daily prayer. Ask God if you have any concern, stress. So this all my very words. If you like it, I hope you like it, because it's a good words. Because you will follow all these things, you will have a good life. My life, I'm following all these things, and I'm so happy. So my parents are so happy, my everybody is so happy, because of we are in God. So don't take any stress. Okay, as per Ephesians chapter 4 6, sorry, Philippians chapter 4 6, it says, don't take any stress in yourself, leave it to God, He will take care. Okay. So uh, this is a healthy tips, and healthy tips for yourself and your brain, and yourself, for your soul. Take care and have a best of you. Do best for yourself, and stay happily, stay safe, and wear mask whenever you go out. Okay. Do sanitize. Okay, we'll hope that we get the medicine for this vaccine, and we soon will be a normal. I know many of people are thinking that we have to go to water park, beach. You want to do all these explore things. Yeah, it will happen. It will be start. Now God is there with us, so don't worry. Keep faith in God. Everything will be okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share this video to your friends, and if possible, subscribe, like, and comments. Thank you so much. You can see the subscribe button. Click over there, bell button, and you can also see my name, Venkat Batula. Click over there. Thank you so much, and live happily, stay happy. Bye bye.